Ayubovan, my dear friends. Prince Siddhartha was born under the shade of a sal tree in Lumbini, attained enlightenment under the Bodhi tree in Gaya, and passed away, which we call Mahaparinibbana, between two sal trees in Kusinara. Even his first sermon to the five ascetics was under a tree in the deer park. So, all the historic events of Buddha's life are closely associated with forest, trees, and animals. The Buddha spent most of his 45 years preaching in preaching Dhamma in various gardens, forests, and tranquil environments. His disciples also attained liberation by practicing meditation in calm and quiet environments. As the true followers of the Buddha, Buddhists firmly believe in the reality of interconnectedness of human beings and nature. Buddha taught and respect for life and the natural world is essential. By living simply, one can be in harmony with other creatures and learn to appreciate the interconnectedness of that lives. This simplicity of life involves developing openness to our environment and relating to the world with awareness and responsive perception. It enables us to enjoy without possessing and mutually benefit each other without manipulation. However, the Buddha was not a romantic idealist. He saw and realized that every living thing is suffering. He saw creatures struggling for survival in an uncertain world. He saw death and fear and also the impermanence. Buddhism teaches us how to look at things deeply in order to understand their own true nature so that we all not be misled into suffering and bad feelings. Teruvan Saranai.